Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make this delicious beans porridge for kids, especially for those picky eaters. First of all, I want to go ahead and boil the beans. I use pressure pot to boil it, and when you're boiling, make sure that it is very soft. And meanwhile, as you're boiling, remember to parboil the beans and sieve out the water before boiling in case of heartburn. So I've already done that part. Now this is how soft the beans is after cooking it with my pressure cooker. I'll go ahead and add some palm oil. Adding palm oil, I'm adding generous amount of palm oil to these beans, and I'll go ahead and add some bay leaf. I don't know if guys, if you've tried the bay leaf in your beans, guys, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Then after adding the bay leaf, the next thing I'm going to allow it to boil while I'm slicing my tomatoes and the onion and all other stuff that I need to add, the crayfish, ginger and the garlic. So those are the things I'm going to be using to cook the beans. So after it has been boiling for a while, I'll go ahead and pour everything inside the boiling beans: the tomato, the onion, the crayfish, the ginger and garlic, the pepper and everything. I'll just go ahead and pour everything inside, and also cover it to continue boiling until the tomato and the onion and all the stuff I added are properly cooked. I'll add my salt to taste, then give it a good stir and allow it to cook for some time. At this point, you can add your vegetable if you want to add vegetable like ugu leaf, but today when I'm not using ugu, I'm going to be adding dried parsley. So after cooking the beans, and this is what it should look like after you are finished cooking. You can see that the water is thick, it's no longer runny. The beans and the water are the same portion now, so that way your child will be able to eat it because it's not too thick in their mouth. So I'll just go ahead and dish it. Then I will garnish it with my parsley, dried parsley. So this is what my beans looks like after I finish dishing. You can see it's very soft, you can hardly know that it's beans. So these are cooked beans for my kids, especially when they're going to school out. I'll make sure I cook it this way so they'll be able to eat it in school. Guys, you give your kids beans to school. I give my kids beans to school at least once in a week, and they enjoy it. Ever since I started cooking it this way, my kids have been loving beans. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends, family, and thank you so much for watching. And you can see my baby girl is also enjoying the beans. Yeah, this is how I've been giving her beans right from when she was even 8 to 9 months. So this can be served to your 8 to 9 months child. They will enjoy it. Yeah.